I'm Mike Kalajian. I work for GrayMatter, and I'm the engineering team lead here in Newark, Delaware. We do a lot of automation systems where we design systems from scratch. We do the industrial automation programming, the PLC programming, sometimes database as well. We are very proud of our work. I'm proud of my team. My team is an excellent team, and I'm privileged to work with them. We do automation systems for discrete manufacturing, batch manufacturing, many different types of platforms, recipe system generation, a lot of different technologies. And one of the most interesting things that we do is that we go to different plants and we see different processes of different types one day to the next. So we're really happy with what we do, and then our customers just love us, and then we love working with them.